नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN, Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, Department of FPD from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today's topic is vitamins. The word vitamin comes from the Latin word vita, means life. Vitamins are organic component and food that are needed in very small amount for growth and for maintaining good health. Everybody must eat a certain amount of vitamin to stay healthy. Vitamins are chemical found in very small amount in many different food. Vitamins are required in small quantities in the diet because they cannot be synthesized by the body. Water soluble vitamin cannot be stored in human tissue. Their excess is excreted with urine. Significant amount of fat soluble vitamin can be stored in adipose tissue and the liver. Synthetic vitamins are identical to natural vitamins. Once growth and development are complete, vitamins remain essential nutrient for the healthy maintenance of the cell, tissue and organ. Function. Vitamins are helpful for the health and life of the body in the following respect: the build up the resistance of the body against disease, prevent and cure various disease caused by deficiency, help the digestion and utilization of mineral salt and carbohydrate in the body, stimulate and give strength and digestive and nervous system, help health protection, help maintenance of proper health and normal growth. Classification on the basis of their solubility. Vitamins are mainly two types: fat soluble vitamin, vitamin that dissolve in fat because fat is easily stored on our body. Fat soluble vitamin can be stored within our fat. This means they can accumulate and save for later use. The fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. Water soluble vitamins, vitamins that dissolve in water because our body in a water environment. These vitamins can move through through our body pretty easily and they can also be flushed out by the kidney. Water soluble vitamin include B complex vitamin and vitamin C. There are 8 B vitamin include vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. Vitamin water soluble or fat soluble. Water soluble non B complex or B complex. Non B complex ascorbic acid and vitamin C. B complex energy releasing thiamine, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, protein, pantothenic acid, folic acid or vitamin B12, other pyridoxine, vitamin B6, pyridoxamine, and fat soluble vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, vitamin E. Water soluble versus fat soluble vitamin. Criteria: absorption water soluble directly to blood, fat soluble lymph via CA. Transport free, required carrier, storage circulate freely in cell with fat, absorption वाटर soluble का in urine में और fat soluble store with fat. Toxicity water soluble की possible with supplement, likely with supplement. Requirement water soluble every 2-3 days, fat soluble every week. Fat soluble vitamin, vitamin A. Vitamin A is a group of unsaturated nutritional organic compound that include rational, retinoic acid and several provitamin A carotenoid, among which beta carotenes is the most important. its active form is prevent only a animal tissue. Daily requirement man and woman 600 mcg. Pregnancy and lactation 90-50 and 950 mcg. Infant 350 mcg or children 600 mcg. Dietary retinal ester are hydrolysed by pancreatic intestinal intestinal hydrolase in intestine, releasing rational and free fatty acid. Function: vitamin A play a role in variety of functions through the body such as vision, gene transcription, immune function, embryonic development and reproduction, bone metabolism, hematopoiesis such as production of blood cells and platelet, skin and cellular health, antioxidant activities. Vitamin D. Vitamin D refer to a group of fat soluble found in liver and fish oil or obtained by irradiation provitamin D with ultraviolet light and are responsible enhancing intestinal absorption of calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphate and zinc. It is also called sunshine vitamin. It is available in two form. Cholecalciferol vitamin D3. It made from 7-dehydrocholesterol in the skin of animal and human. Calciferol D2. It obtained artificially by irradiation of ergosterol and is called ergocalciferol. The vitamin D food sources: cheese, butter, fortified milk, healthy krill of fatty fish. Man and woman 0.01 mg, pregnancy and lactation 0.01 mg, infant and children 0.01 mg. Daily requirement. Function of vitamin D: calcium balance, cell differentiation, immunity, blood pressure regulation, development of bone and teeth. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is referred to a group of compounds that include both tocopherols and tocotrienols. They are naturally occurring antioxidant. It is also called anti-aging factor. The word tocopherol is derived from the word toco meaning childbirth and pheros meaning to bear. It is yellow, oily liquid freely soluble in fat solvent. Tocopherol, alpha, beta, gamma have been obtained from the natural sources. Vitamin E function: antioxidant, most powerful natural free radical scavenger, protect cell membrane, protect ADL from oxidation, protection of double bond and saturated fatty acid, prevention of RNCD, work in conjunction with selenium. Vitamin E also play a role in neurological function and inhibit platelet aggregation. Vitamin E also protect lipid and prevent the oxidation of polyunsaturated fatty acid. Vitamin K is referred to group of structurally similar fat-soluble vitamins the human body need for complete synthesis of certain proteins that are required for blood coagulation and also certain proteins that the body uses to manipulate binding of calcium in bone and other tissue. Vitamin K is naturally produced by the bacteria in the intestine. It is essential for production of a type of protein called prothrombin. Other factor involved in blood clotting mechanism, hence is known as anti-hemorrhagic vitamin. Vitamin K include two natural vitamins, vitamin K1 for phyloquinine, vitamin K2 magnequinines. Dietary source of vitamin K: men and women 70 to 140 mcg, for children 35 to 75 mcg. Function of vitamin K: it is essential for hepatic synthesis of coagulation factor, 2nd, 5th, 7th, 9th, 10th. Clotting: it prevents hemorrhage only in case when there is effective production of prothrombin. Oxidative phosphorylation: it acts as a cofactor in oxidative phosphorylation associated with lipid. Vitamin K is needed for carboxylation of glutamyl residues of calcium binding, transport between the flavin coenzyme and the cytochrome system. Water soluble vitamin: water soluble vitamins are found in yeast, grain, rice, vegetable, fish, and meat. They are essential coenzyme required in energy releasing mechanism. They also act as a coenzyme for metabolism of protein, carbohydrate, and fat. They include B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, B6, pyridoxine, B7, biotin, B9, folic acid, B12, cobalamin. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. It is also called anti-beriberi factor, anti-neurotic factor, and also aneurysm. It is colorless basic organic compound composed of a sulfate pyrimidine ring. All living organisms use thiamine, but is synthesized only bacteria, fungi, and plant. Contains sulfur, nitrogen group, destro by alkaline and heat, coenzyme thiamine phosphate. Dietary source of vitamin B1: tuna, sunflower seed, white bean, block bean diet, and frozen bean, fresh bean, lentil, green bean, simon seed. The requirement of daily: men 1.3 mg, women 1.0 mg, pregnancy and lactation 2 mg, children 1.1 mg. Function of thiamine: the vitamin B1 is very essential for converting carbohydrate into energy. The most important use of thiamine is in the treatment of the beriberi, a condition caused by deficiency of thiamine in the diet. Symptoms including swelling, tingling of burning sensation in the hand and feet, confusion, difficulty breathing. Vitamin B1 help in the maintaining the healthy nervous system. Vitamin B1 is necessary for healthy mucous membrane. It helps in the digestion of food. It provides strength to muscles. It is very useful for the proper functioning of the heart. Riboflavin, vitamin B2. It is also called as beauty vitamin. It is yellowish green fluorescent compound soluble in water. The word riboflavin is derived from two sources. Ribose means many ribose sugar found in several vitamins. Flavin means yellow. It is widely involved in oxidation reduction reaction. Venison, yogurt, milk, spinach, MS, goat milk, almond. Daily requirement: men 1.5 mg, women 1.2 mg, pregnancy and lactation 2 to 2.3 mg, children 1.3 mg. Function: it is essential for normal growth. Metabolism: it is involved in the metabolism of carbohydrate, fat, and protein. Digestion: it helps in digestion. Nervous system: it helps in proper function of nervous system. It is very useful for normal tissue respiration. Necessary for healthy mucous membrane. Good for skin, nails, and eyes. It helps to protect the body against cancer. Thank you.